In the quiet chill of the emergency room, many see olive leaf extract as a miracle cure for aging arteries, but here, it can be a danger. The line between a life-saving weapon against plaque and a silent poison for your kidneys is thinner than most people realize when using natural supplements. With 27 years of experience in cardiology, and I have seen how the wrong choices lead to devastating medical consequences. Are you holding a weapon to destroy arterial buildup, or are you holding a chemical cocktail that is quietly destroying your own internal filtration system? When the vessels lose their vitality, the body begins a slow decline that can be accelerated by the very things we think are helping us heal. Today, we dive deep into the secret of olive leaf extract to ensure you use it as a shield, not a weapon against your health. Meet Robert, a 72-year-old grandfather who thought he was taking control of his heart health by adding a natural extract to his daily routine. He believed that because it came from a leaf, it was completely safe to mix with the blood pressure medication his doctor had already prescribed. What Robert didn't know was that he was creating a dangerous chemical synergy inside his body that his aging kidneys simply could not handle anymore. Within weeks, he was rushed to the emergency room with a dangerously low blood pressure and the early stages of acute, life-threatening renal failure. The medical team discovered the hidden culprit. The high dose of Oleuropein in his supplement was fighting against his clinical prescriptions for heart health. It is a common mistake among the elderly to assume natural means harmless, but every active compound has a physiological price if used without caution. Robert recovered, but he learned a hard lesson that day about the complexity of herbal medicine and the vital importance of professional medical supervision. His story is a warning to everyone over 65. Natural substances are powerful drugs that require respect, measurement, and a deep understanding of biology. Natural is not a synonym for safe. It is a call for higher awareness and careful management of your body's delicate chemical balance every day. To understand the power of this extract, we must look into the molecular heart of the olive leaf and its primary active compound, Oleuropein. This specific polyphenol is a biological powerhouse that has been studied for decades for its unique ability to interact with our cardiovascular system directly. Think of Oleuropein as a specialized cleaning crew, moving through your bloodstream to neutralize free radicals and soften the hard calcium deposits in vessels. It actively works to clear the biological trash that accumulates over decades, potentially reversing the narrowing effects of atherosclerosis that leads to heart attacks. It functions much like a street sweeper for your arteries, ensuring that the pathways for oxygen and nutrients remain open and clear for your organs. By reducing the inflammation that causes plaque to stick to the walls, it prevents the buildup that eventually leads to dangerous blood clots and strokes. Research published in the Indian Journal of Biochemistry and Biophysics confirms that this compound is a potent natural protector for the aging human heart. Oleuropein acts as a natural calcium channel blocker, which helps the muscles around your arteries relax, allowing blood to flow with much less resistance. This relaxation significantly lowers blood pressure, reducing the mechanical stress that causes long-term damage to the delicate lining of your entire circulatory system. When the pressure drops, the heart doesn't have to work as hard, which is essential for preventing heart failure in patients over 70 years old. This precision binding allows the body to maintain its own vascular tone without the harsh side effects often associated with synthetic blood pressure medications. The result is a more resilient heart and a cleaner, more flexible vascular highway that can support a long and active life for the elderly. But this incredible power must be handled with extreme care, as what cleans the heart can sometimes overwhelm the delicate filters of the kidneys. The human kidney is a masterpiece of biological engineering, but after 7 decades of life, its filtration capacity naturally begins to decline significantly. These tiny filters, known as nephrons, become less efficient, making the elderly much more sensitive to sudden changes in blood pressure and chemical intake. When olive leaf extract lowers blood pressure too rapidly, it can inadvertently starve the kidneys of the pressure they need to filter out toxins. This drop in the glomerular filtration rate can cause a silent buildup of waste products in the blood, leading to a condition called uremia. While a young body can adjust to these shifts, an older person's kidney may simply stop working, resulting in acute injury without any early symptoms. The danger is that you won't feel your kidneys failing until it is almost too late, as the process is often completely painless and quiet. This is why we call it a silent threat. The very supplement you take for your heart could be taking years off your kidney life. Furthermore, the extract can disrupt the autonomic nervous system's ability to maintain a steady internal environment, leading to sudden dizzy spells and dangerous falls. An imbalance in this system can cause the body to overreact to the supplement, sending the heart into a confused state of low performance. If the heart and kidneys lose their communication through this nervous network, the entire body's fluid and salt balance can collapse within days. Protecting these filters is non-negotiable, especially for those over 70 who already take multiple medications for their blood pressure and heart health. To use olive leaf extract safely, I have developed a strict 12-step protocol that every senior must follow before taking their first dose. Step 1. You must know your current kidney function by checking your eGFR levels through a standard blood test with your primary physician. Step 2. Perform a full audit of your current medications to ensure there are no known interactions with polyphenols or natural calcium blockers. Step 3. Never start this supplement without a direct conversation with your cardiologist to ensure it fits within your specific heart care plan. Step 4. Record your baseline blood pressure for 1 week before starting the extract so you can accurately track any sudden changes or drops. Step 5. Always start with a microdose, much lower than the bottle recommends, to see how your unique body chemistry responds to the compound. Step 6. Monitor your vitals every morning at the same time, looking for any signs of bradycardia or an unusually slow heart rate. Step 7. Keep a detailed log of your energy levels and any new symptoms like lightheadedness or fatigue that appear after taking the dose. Step 8. Increase your water intake significantly, as hydration is the key to helping your kidneys process and flush out concentrated herbal extracts. Step 9. Maintain a strict 2-hour gap between your pharmaceutical medications and your herbal supplements to prevent immediate chemical interactions in the stomach. Step 10. Perform a secondary check in the afternoon, as herbal effects often peak several hours after ingestion in the elderly digestive tract. Step 11. Watch for signs of edema or swelling in the ankles, which can be an early warning sign that your kidneys are struggling. Step 12. Schedule monthly blood work for the first 3 months to ensure your creatinine levels remain within a safe and healthy range. Consistency in monitoring is your best defense against the side effects of any powerful supplement, ensuring that you stay in the safe zone. Absolute warning: never combine olive leaf extract with prescription diuretics unless your doctor has specifically designed a plan for this combination. The interaction can lead to severe dehydration and electrolyte imbalances that can trigger dangerous heart arrhythmias and sudden loss of consciousness. Follow these steps, and you can harness the natural benefits of the olive tree without putting your vital organs at unnecessary risk. Nature has provided us with incredible tools for health, but it is our responsibility to use them with wisdom and scientific precision. Patience and correct knowledge are the true keys to long-term heart health and a vibrant life well into your senior years and beyond. Do not let your search for health become a hidden danger. I am here to help you protect your heart with the truth. Stay informed, stay safe, and always listen to your body's signals. Thank you for joining me today. Goodbye, and take care.